Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to limit your battery charge on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your PC that contains of course your Windows 11. Of course if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free if you want to. Of course you can even run the upgrade or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it. Meanwhile, of course your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. Of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC, and when you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you from your PC, so don't worry about this upgrade. And of course, you once you upgraded, you will find the recovery points on your settings if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. And of course, I even made a video about that if you want to check it out and the channel. And of course, but if you're maybe facing some problems, you'd like to do that, or you maybe just like Windows 10, but I bet you will stay on Windows 11, especially when you get used to it, because it's much better in my opinion. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to limit our battery charge on Windows 11, of course for laptop users, not for desktop users, because they don't have a battery. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your settings. For me, I'm just going to press at Control I, which is a shortcut to open your settings. Of course, you can open it with your regular way if you want. And once you're there, you would like to go into this find setting and type battery, and then go to power sleep and battery settings. Once you are here, you would like to scroll down and toggle the switch for battery charge threshold to turn on the battery charge limiter option. As you can see, for me I don't have it here because I'm a desktop user, I'm not a laptop user, I don't have the battery, but for you will find it here on the battery settings and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.